Do you want to incorporate French beaded flowers into your bridal bouquet or make other French beaded flower accessories for your big day, but you don't have the time to plan a wedding and make all the beaded flowers? Today, I will show you 10 ways to incorporate French beaded flowers into your wedding without going into a beading frenzy. Hi everyone, I'm Fen Lee, designer here at the Bead Flora studio, author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers, and a bead instructor at the Bead and Button Show. On this channel, I offer technique reference guides, free beaded flower tutorials, and tip videos just like this one. If you are new here and would like to learn more, consider subscribing. Most crafty brides stumble upon French beaded flowers when they are just starting to plan their weddings and then join the beaded flower Facebook groups, freaking out, wondering if they can make their bouquets in time with just a few months' time. If you want to incorporate beaded flowers into your wedding and want to learn more about making French beaded flowers, I have free PDFs and video companions on my website for you to learn the beginner basic techniques. In today's video, I will show you 10 cool ideas on incorporating beaded flowers into your wedding. For the flowers I have patterns for or similar patterns, I will put the links in the description below. If there is anything you'd like me to elaborate on, let me know in the comments, and I may do a longer video if there is enough interest. And what's cool is that the flowers I use in the samples today can be made by beginners. Now, let's get to it. Number 1, incorporating flowers into your bridal bouquets. While it's cool to have a bouquet made entirely out of beads, it is time consuming. If you have a wedding that is coming up soon, you may not have a lot of time to execute it. Instead of making 7 to 9 flowers for a bouquet, you can make 3 and have your florist incorporate it in your bridal bouquet with fresh flowers. This bouquet here was a collaboration I did with Kristen of Curations in Naperville, Illinois. We had a romantic theme, and she used soft pink peonies and roses for the rest of the bouquet to complement the beaded roses. I made the flowers and did not add any leaves and didn't do anything special to prep the stems. Wrap the stems in floral tape, and that's all that's needed. You can leave the stems long and they can be trimmed just like regular flower stems when a bouquet is put together. Though you or your florist will need wire cutters to trim the beaded flower stems. Number 2, you can incorporate beaded leaves into your bouquets like you would with bouquet bling. This bouquet was put together by another florist friend of mine, Heather of Fonte Fleur in South Carolina. I leave 3 bottom wires and then wrap with floral tape. Do make the leaf stems long so that your florist can adjust the length. Number 3, incorporate French beaded flowers with silk flowers. For this bouquet, I added realistic silk flowers, flowy feathers, and I even added a sparkly butterfly on the stem. This is something that you don't have to worry about flowers wilting and can keep the whole bouquet afterwards. Number 4, boutonnieres. Add beaded leaves to fresh or silk florals. Again, leave the stems long and let your florist trim the leaf after the boutonniere has been assembled. Number 5, hair accessories. Beaded flower hair clips or hairpins are an easy way to add a special touch to your special day. I even had a bride put my hairpins on a cake as cake decor. How cool is that? You can even make hair crowns for a flower girl. Number 6, napkin holders. Okay, maybe not for everyone at your reception, but certainly that can be done for the head table. Number 7, clutches. Make some sparkly flowers and glue them onto a small clutch for you and your bridesmaids. I use hot glue, and if you think that hot glue won't work, this clutch is 10 years old and the flower is still on. Or you can even use E6000 if you prefer. Number 8, shoe clips. Sparkly shoe clips are a fun way to decorate your shoes. I sewed the shoe clip findings on a piece of fabric and attached them to the flower. They can even double as a brooch if you can clip it to the top of your clothes. Number 9, corsages. There are stretchy pearl corsage bracelets that can be found at craft stores. Glue your flowers onto the top of the stretchy bracelet. These corsages were made for someone who was having a Harry Potter wedding. How fun is that? Number 10, jewelry. Making jewelry is not exactly super beginner, but if you already have some jewelry making skills with wire wrapping, you can make beaded flower necklaces. This necklace was made and glued onto a finding. I wire wrapped pearls as the necklace and made it so that the necklace can be worn multiple ways. But you can easily do bead stringing to make it less time consuming. Have I inspired you to incorporate some French beading into your wedding? Is there anything I'm missing that you can think of? Let me know in the comments below if you can think of any other ideas. Again, if you're a beginner and would like to learn French beading, I have free PDFs and videos on my website at beadflora.com. Also connect with me on Facebook and Instagram. If you have made any of my designs, I always love seeing them. Tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or email me at fen@beadflora.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified of whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!